Hi, it's Anaiis Salles. Specific information that I provided on the personal process work that we're doing in this program. You're probably thinking, oh, what has this got to do with me as a soulpreneur, as a heart-centered entrepreneur? What this has to do with the future of your business and creating a sustainable lifestyle for yourself is without doing this work first and moving through it and being able to recognize it comes up all the time, and we have to re-engage this level of inner attention with who we are. If we don't do this work at the beginning as we're laying the foundation of our business, whether online or offline, it will be very difficult to, first of all, accurately identify your niche, people who will be interested in your services or product, because your fear dynamics will keep you from seeing that clearly, taking the information in clearly and in a focused way, and then applying it accurately in a way that's going to be productive for your business. So that's part one. Part two is that not only will you have difficulty really seeing and connecting with your niche because of your underlying fear and confidence issues, but you also will have difficulty crafting your message in a specific, focused way and makes the connection with your niche that shows them, demonstrates, explains to them what is in it for them when they connect with you. When you are stuck or still looping around the issues of what is my value, or do I have value, or I'm worried about my value, or I'm afraid that what I think is my value will be rejected by the market, when you're still engaging in that conversation in an unconscious way, your message, any message that you put out there, will reflect this energy dynamic in you. Why is this important? Because if you're still unclear and expressing yourself, your energy is divided. It's not going to be coherent or unified. And most of the time, when we're still circling around these confidence, fear dynamics about our value or our worth, when we're communicating out there in the marketplace and in the world, we are generally seeking approval. And when we're seeking approval, we're not serving other people. We're asking them to serve us by giving us their approval. And that is a disconnect. And it will keep your business from growing and thriving. And that's why, again, I will stress that doing this work is very important. And what is your voice, your authentic voice that can craft a message, communicate it, and have it land on people in such a way that they're excited to work with you.